I mean, like, what's going through your head, you know, that when this deal closes, that you're gonna make 58,000 bucks on one deal?
It's pretty cool. I know in real estate, the deals I were doing were sub 10,000. I mean, I had a big one fall through at like 20, and I was disappointed. So coming over to oil and gas has been a shock to me. I mean, these deals are crazy big. I think the thing that really sold me on you guys was, I mean, you live and breathe by what you guys say. I mean, if I need help, immediately I was getting texts right away. It really felt like you wanted to help. I mean, I feel so I actually found out about you from a friend of a friend. I started in real estate just through wholesaling, just trying to get some deals. I knew real estate was temporary, but I still wanted to explore other options. On the phone one day with one of my buddies, and he was telling me about one of his friends that left real estate for oil and gas, and that like sparked my interest. So I come from the real estate space, so I know all about it. I mean, everyone's got a course nowadays. They got courses for how to start a course. So I think the thing that really sold me on you guys was, I mean, you live and breathe by what you guys say. I mean, if I need help, immediately I was getting texts right away. I mean, even just going through the motions, and it really felt like you wanted to help. I mean, I feel like the difference between, I've been in other courses. I mean, I've heard what they're talking about on those calls, and it really doesn't go anywhere versus you. I feel like you wanted to help us, and you really cared, because at the end of the day, we all make money. So for me, knowing kind of the wholesaling side of things, I knew how to get started, at least with outreach. I mean, cold calling is cold calling. This is kind of a thing where you can talk all you want, but you're not going to do anything unless you pick up the phone. So I kind of knew I had to figure it out as I go. I mean, that's how I kind of do all my stuff. I kind of just figure out as I go. I mean, day one or one day, you know. So uh,
Totally.
I started
Yep.
going through the course, and after I think like the first module, I just started getting started. So I know, like, even in the video, a lot of people get confused with picking AOI. I mean, the first thing you said was Ohio, so I just did Ohio. I mean, I just tried to jump in right away, because I knew you have the whole United States to pick from, so it can be kind of analysis paralysis. I knew list polling and skip tracing is something I'm pretty familiar with, so I started tackling it the way, and just pick up the phone, you know?
Well, tell me about this 85-acre deal. How did it come together? How did you like? What was your AOI? Like, tell me about and obviously I know all this stuff, but tell everybody else, like, how did this thing come together?
So I pulled a list from, I think I pulled it from Harrison County, big area in Ohio. And I started just calling phone numbers, and I picked up the phone and called one of our guys. I don't know if I should say his name, but Ron. I called
Yeah,
Ron, and
yeah.
he didn't seem too happy to talk to me at first, but after he knew kind of I wasn't cold calling him and what I wanted to do, he seemed to lighten up a little bit more. Talk to him, kind of picked his brain a little bit what he wanted to do. He had the 85 acres, and he had an offer before at 500K, and I knew I didn't want to spend too much more than her, or the previous offer. So waited out a little bit. He said he didn't like her offer, so I came back and offered the same thing. And I kind of just had to wait. I mean, the first speak loses. So I kind of just sat on it, let him think, let him talk to the wife. And after a little bit, he decided to go with us. So kind of just really having faith in the contract we sent over and the process that we went through. Has
Totally, man. Yeah, I mean, like, what's going through your head, you know, that when this deal closes, that you're gonna make 58,000 bucks on one deal?
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. I know in real estate, the deals I were doing were sub 10,000. I mean, I had a big one fall through at like 20, and I was disappointed. So coming over to oil and gas has been a shock to me. I mean, these deals are crazy big. But yeah, I'm just excited, and I just got a taste. I'm ready to get some more.
What would you tell to anybody that's like on the fence or thinking about doing this? Like, what would you tell them?
I'd say don't, because that's more deals for me, you know? But no,
I
this is
love
the
it.
best thing ever. This is so cool. I mean, I think the day I got off that phone with my buddies, I've been intrigued since. This is like the coolest thing ever. Just learning about oil and gas has been a privilege. So I mean, this is a open door. You got to take it.
Oh wow,
How do
man.
I do? And take the bull by the horns and pick up the phone.
That's it.